Girl, what is love? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? Our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just be mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't give me power.
Good morning, y'all. So I have class in the next 54 minutes, and I just want to do my hair now before I shower because I don't want to worry about all that. I just want to comb it after I shower. So y'all, that's basically what I'm doing. I actually missed my 9 a.m. My head was hurting, but I have enough energy and strength now to get up and chase the bag. Also, I have this freaking pimple. I usually get it on my chin, but decided to pop out here, and it's so freaking annoying because it hurts. Can't believe it's Monday again. Why Monday is compulsory? Like, anyways, it's week 5 of uni. I had so many things that I wanted to put out, but I didn't, just because I did not like the way it was structured. I have a uni reset thingy that I would put out, but it's the 5th week of uni. Anyways, before I'm late, let me actually do my hair. Breakfast now because my roommate is in the shower right now. So I have like 40 minutes left. It means I have to take like a quick shower, like a young 20 minutes shower. But anyways, let me go make breakfast because now I have a bit more time.
Just keep adding up. Then we just be mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was count zero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. I work hard.
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows?
I'm so damn late. I'm so late. I don't even know why I'm still making a video when I'm so late. I literally only have 10 minutes left. And I had to take the quickest shower ever. I should stop doing this because I'm usually always late for uni, which is really bad. Okay, not always late. Now I have to get dressed. I'm back home now and it is ridiculously hot outside. Now I just want to drink really cold water. But yeah, let me also put these dishes away. But I need water first. I had to watch a movie for one of my classes and it was really good. I was gonna start sleeping at some point, but I don't know. That feels amazing. My clothes, which is a ridiculous amount. Well, not really. And then as they're washing or drying, because washing takes 30 minutes, so as they're washing, I think I'm gonna start studying, and then drying takes about an hour, and then I'm gonna continue studying. But anyways, I have this suitcase that I'm gonna take with me. I have like a big freaking basket, but it has things that I want to donate to charity. And TBF, I'm not in the mood, nor do I have the energy to take things out, put them back in when I'm done. And it's freaking hot. No. But yeah, that's what I'll be doing now. I'm so tired. My goodness, I am so tired. The amount of assignments that I have, the amount of tests that I have in the next 2 weeks is insane. I just know one of these days I'm gonna cry. I know it. I'm not proud of it, but I cry when I'm stressed. I will cry. I will bawl my eyes out for like 10 minutes and start working again. So I just know it's coming. But anyways, let me go get this things washed and I'm gonna be back to study. But anyways, what's your study method? It's still like, we could borrow each other's study method. I need to go back to the gym. It's been so long. Oh, this is me putting clothes in my bag. I was just looking at my gym stuff now and I'm realizing that it's been quite long. I literally went there last week Thursday, but I'm currently taking a break from studying and I'm just making some avocado and milk situation. So I put avocado, milk and sugar. Apparently it's weird, like when I got here, like I tell everyone, oh, I love avocados. I'm like, oh yeah, me too, I like it on bread. I'm like, that's not what I mean. I mean, I like eating avocados with powdered milk mixed with sugar. Everyone does that in Malawi. Apparently no one does that here. But so I'm just gonna be doing that. Oh, and I'm also heating up some mini pizza because I'm so hungry.
I made it for nothing, no turn to something from nothing. Made it through property, I'm not minority, yeah, I'm a star. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't with me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids came with it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, count up the hundreds, I promise some pressure. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more hit than the rumor. And I got things I can prove, yeah, yeah. I got a rich nigga, no diploma. She think it's something got to do with my mama. While I can't love her like she needs me. That's what you get when you think of a marriage. Now I wake up and I fuck on the bed. Got me saying it's so hard, it's so hard. These perkies keep me sane. All my dogs found them locked up in the cage. We get paid, we so paid. Move them bricks, then move on. Switch the bags, then move on, then move on. I'm in prison, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. The niggas came with me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids came with it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody, car full of bullets, ain't finding no shooter. That what you get when you niggas delusional. I remember when they thought I was average. Now I wake up and I fuck on a bad bitch. I tried to fight temptation.
Guys, I think it's time to call it a night. I'm super tired. I have to keep working though. I want to shower and eat first before I continue working. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I already reorganized my wardrobe from the laundry. Can I just say I love the smell of freshly washed clothes. 3 smells that I really love. The smell of like mud when it's raining, the smell of detergent, and the smell of petrol. I know I'm not the only one that likes petrol. Anyways, I'm super exhausted. I don't know, I had my glasses on because it just gave me a headache, especially since I can see, because I'm like short-sighted and I only need them to see things from afar, and I needed them to see you in that mirror and see if you're positioned properly so I want to sleep, but I can't at the moment because I have goals and aspirations. I'm gonna go shower and then eat and then come back to work. I would have vlogged more. My phone keeps fighting me. About space, and it's like I'm paying you. You wanted me to pay more for more storage, and I did. So what's going on? Is it not fraud that you're committing? Because there's no way you're making me pay every month and just tell me my storage is full, then transfer things from my storage to my cloud. What's the cloud for? Apple, don't ever let me catch you, because I promise you I want my money back. Anyways, so my phone keeps fighting me, so I would have continued the vlog, but my phone is literally bugging every single time I try to record for more than 5 minutes. Yeah, just know that I'm gonna go shower, eat, study, and that's that. Nothing bizarre. And I'm gonna do Bible study. Maybe I should vlog that. I'll fight to show my Bible study, how I do Bible study, but I don't know yet. I don't know. If this is the end of the vlog, even my voice is hoarse because I'm so tired. What is this left? University. You know how I told you it's about to reach that time where I just cry because I'm stressed? I think this is the time. Do you know I'm just a girl? Do they know? But I can do all things through him who strengthens me. Amen. This is the end of the vlog though. As always, stay blessed, stay peaceful, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.